Hello everybody and welcome to part 3 of sound insertion with W. This is when you have a vowel sound and another vowel sound, an O and a vowel sound, and we insert a W sound to connect the two sounds. And here are those words correctly pronounced. So we have go out, go on. My favourite, go away. You are, do anything. So angry, so annoyed. No animals. You idiot. Here, when we're pronouncing doing and going, don't forget the W sound insertion. Doing and going. It makes it much easier to pronounce. Do it. Do it. You and me. No, I don't. Go over. Here, the W is actually in the writing. New hours. Grow up. And, oh, I say. So remember, when we have an O and a vowel sound, when you're speaking in a connected way, we connect it with a W. Thank you.